If you are a married person back in the Philippines, kahit kailan, you're always married back in the Philippines. May separation pero hindi ka pa rin pwedeng magpakasal not unless na mayroong annulment. Pagdating dito sa Canada, boyfriend, common law, whoever yung partner mo sa Pilipinas, they can be married doon sa Pilipinas, pero pagdating dito, nire-recognize nila yung common law partnership, okay? Assuming that you have 12 months cohabitation with you. If you want to claim that 12 months cohabitation, you need to prove your genuine relationship. Kailangan mayroon kayong parehas na address, ilalagay mo doon yung kanyang pangalan as a beneficiary sa insurance mo, mayroon kayong joint bank account na kailangan mong ipakita sa immigration. The moment na nagsama kayo, dapat mayroon na yung proof, hindi yung sabi mo, sinabi ko, sinabi ng iba na nagsama na kayo, may proof. Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-start na mag-declare nung nasa Pilipinas kayo kasi in the first place, he is married. Okay? So you can never declare your relationship sa Pilipinas, otherwise that will gonna be adultery. Canada is recognizing common law partnership. What you can do is to cohabit at least 12 months dito sa Canada. Then you can declare your relationship as common law partnership. You cannot get married to this person until he is annulled from his home country or from the Philippines. Canada is recognizing common law partnership. That's why even if you or even him, you are both married from your home country, in Canada you cohabited with 12 months, then you could be able to claim that. It's my advice to every Filipina in Canada and also in the Philippines. Make sure that you can actually see the Sinumar. Original na Sinumar, kasi you can never know if you don't know this person, if you don't know him. I know everybody can be in love, right? Pero at the end of the day, ang daming mga ganyang sitwasyon. Hindi nila alam na married pala yung lalaki pero na pasubo na sila. Nagkaroon na sila ng anak, buntis na sila. And then you're wondering, bakit hindi siya propose sa akin for marriage? Tapos sasabihin niya, oh hindi ko alam, married pala ako. Diba?